What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the new Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0 2019. That was definitely a mouthful. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so this is the Tab A 2019 edition, and this is the 8-inch model, as I said before. And this was actually released today, September 30th, 2019. I just picked this up at Best Buy, as well as another thing that you guys will see either today or tomorrow. But that's going to be exciting as well. But we're going to go and unbox this and see what's inside of here. I believe it says 32 gigabytes of internal storage, as well as 2 gigabytes of RAM. Not 100% sure yet, because obviously with every tablet, for some reason, this is only in America. We don't have the specifications on the back of the box. Super weird stuff. All we get is Tab A, 32 gigabytes of storage. You know, if you look at stuff from France or from Korea, it shows all the specifications. In America, they kind of dumbed it down a bit. But let's go ahead and open this up nonetheless. Now, something that I'd like to recognize really quick is that this device is only $149, so this is definitely going to be one of those sellers at Christmas where there's going to be a sale for like $99, maybe $129, not 100% sure, but this is going to be a very, very affordable tablet. Now, if you guys don't want your kid having a phone just yet, this is probably something that you're going to want to get. I will throw the link in the description as well as the first comment in the comment section down below. If you guys want to go ahead and pick this up on Amazon, maybe for a birthday gift, for a Christmas gift. We are getting close to the holidays, so I'll definitely put that in the comments and in the description down below. And I do get a kickback that helps the channel, so I really appreciate it if you use my link. Let's go ahead and go to the back of the box, get Mr. Knifey right here, and cut this open. All right, let's go ahead and take the top off right here. Now, first and foremost, it looks like we have the tablet on the top. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. It actually feels pretty sturdy. Very nice feeling right here. Feels pretty premium. Let's go ahead and put that to the side though. First and foremost, it looks like we have a micro USB cable. Now if we go ahead and pop this up under there, we're gonna have our little travel adapter for charging. So we had the travel adapter and we had the data cable, and last but not least, I'm pretty sure we have some literature in here. Let's go ahead and open this up really quickly. And yes, right here we have our quick reference guide, and we also have our terms and conditions if you guys want to go ahead and read that. Another thing is we do have our SIM ejector tool. So that was all that we got inside of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A box. Now, I really do like the attention to detail. Very nice packaging from Samsung right here, even though this device is only $149. Now, for the grand finale, we're going to go and take a look at the actual tablet. So for $149, what are we going to be getting here? It feels like a metal tablet for some reason. It might be plastic, but it feels pretty heavy. Let's go ahead and take this out. And this is aluminum. The back of this device is aluminum. That is super, super surprising, honestly. Very cool to the touch, so I can tell this is metal. This definitely reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy A6, so yeah, that's that. Awesome. Very heavy tablet, very premium feel right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back though. It looks like we have our Samsung logo right there. Top left, we have our camera. Right side of the device, we have our power button, and just below that, we have our volume up and down rocker. Top of the device, we have a headphone jack. Very, very awesome to see. Bottom of the device, we have our 2 speakers, we have our noise canceling mic, and we have our micro USB port. Left side of the device, it looks like we have our SIM tray or micro SD card tray. And obviously right here, it looks like we have our camera on top and we have our display right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, set it up, see how the screen looks, and go through the OS. But so far, this is looking like a very, very promising tablet, especially for $149. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Nice haptic feedback. I felt it vibrate. That was some decent haptic feedback. Now, yes, this is a Galaxy Tab A, and a lot of people are going to be like, why are they releasing another Tab A? The reason being is the Tab A is the budget series of the Samsung Galaxy Tabs, and they just update it by the year. So it's going to be Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2016, Galaxy Tab A 2017. So they just update it by the years. So yes, this is the new version of the Tab A, and I'm liking it so far. Definitely loving the feel of this. Feels very, very hefty. So starting Android, I'm going to go through the OS and we're going to go ahead and set this up and show you how it looks. All right, everyone, so we're inside the UI and so far everything looks pretty decent. Now the screen isn't that amazing, but it does actually get pretty bright. Very, very bright screen right here. Also looking at the little toggles that we obviously have Wi-Fi, we have sound, we have Bluetooth, auto rotate, airplane mode, power mode, blue light filter, location, do not disturb, sync, Dolby Atmos, which is awesome to see on that. We have kids home. If you want to, put your kid on this tablet, you can click on kids home and it takes you into the mode. We also have night mode, and we can change other things with navigation bar. Now going into the settings, I just want to go ahead and verify that we are running Android 9.0. So if you guys see right here, yes, we are running Android 9.0 Pie on this device. We'll probably get 10 on this. I'm not 100% sure. But since this came so late out in the year, I'm pretty sure we're going to be getting 10. Now, everything else looks decent so far. We're gonna go ahead and watch a video really quick. Let's go ahead and christen this tablet, and I just want to show you guys the quality of this. Now I believe this is 1200 by 800 as far as the resolution goes. We're gonna go ahead and watch a video and show you how this sounds as well. Alright everyone, so the screen looks pretty decent, and this goes up to 720p in the YouTube application, but the screen looks decent. And the speakers on this device are very, very crisp and clear. Really awesome stuff right here. We also have Android Pie in here, so therefore we get that pop-out mode with the YouTube application, so we can run multiple applications at once. Now the last thing I want to take a look at is the camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Obviously I'll do the review and many more videos on this device. Now if you guys do want me to do videos sooner than later, definitely tell me in the comments down below if this is something you'd like to see a lot on the channel. Let's go into the camera application though really quick, and going in here we have live focus, we have video as well, and if we flip this around, let's go and flip this around, we have Pro, we have live focus, photo, video, stickers. We also have continuous shot if you'd like to use that. And I took a couple photos, just want to show you real quick. This isn't the best photo, but for a tablet that's 150 bucks, it's actually pretty decent. And also looking at the back camera, the rear camera is obviously much better. So very cool stuff right here. If you want to get the best quality possible or use the best feature, my favorite is live focus. So if you want to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead and check that out. But yeah, for $149, I can definitely recommend this tablet. Very, very affordable tablet. Now this is something that you're going to have just to watch videos, essentially something to give to your kids if they don't have a phone yet, to keep them entertained. Very awesome stuff here though. If you want to go ahead and ball on a budget, this is definitely the thing to get, and this isn't going to break easily. Not plastic, this is an aluminum back on this, so really nice build quality on this device. Good stuff, Samsung. Yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.